Whether it's brought on by exercise, working, or simply keeping pace with our hectic lives, millions of us battle every day with some type of pain or discomfort. For many, antibiotics and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs sold over the counter were thought to be the best answer to treating what ails us. But our society is gradually recognizing what enormous healing powers homeopathic medicines hold. In a recent study conducted by the World Health Organization, 74% of Americans say they desire a more natural approach to healthcare.
One of the main benefits of homeopathy is that it's a comprehensive medical system. And the medicines that are used in homeopathy have a high safety profile, low toxicity, and patients often prefer these sorts of approaches because you're not going to develop tolerability to the medications when you take them. People can develop tolerance to antibiotics. With homeopathy, where we're trying to stimulate a healing response in the body, that sort of tolerance isn't going to happen. And then when you look at non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, we know that there's a lot of side effects with them, both short-term in terms of stomach upset, GI bleeding, and long-term in terms of cardiovascular risks. Those don't happen with homeopathy.
As part of an international company with presence in over 50 countries, Heal is the global leader in the field of scientifically based modern homeopathy. And for almost 75 years, Heal's easy-to-use medications have been providing a safe and effective alternative to the side effects associated with many drugs by gently activating the body's self-healing powers as nature intended.
Our mission is to build a bridge between homeopathy and conventional medicine to improve patient care and healing. In the United States, it means that we have the ambitious goal to help every American physician to integrate the prescribing of our healed medicines into their daily practice, thus offering effective and very safe and gentle treatments to their patients. Our homeopathic medicines are made with very small doses of natural ingredients that stimulate the body's natural ability to heal itself. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to address a specific stage of the disease evolution and to work in synergy with all of the other ingredients in order to help the body heal itself.
For more than 30 years, Heal USA has provided effective and gentle medications to doctors and patients alike. This is Heal's flagship product, Traumeel, an all-natural medication that treats sprains, bruises, and other common injuries at the source rather than just covering up the symptoms of the pain. Its efficacy and outstanding safety profiles are backed by several scientific studies.
Traumeel works by decreasing the uncomfortable side effects of redness and swelling after an injury, like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs do. However, unlike non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like diclofenac or ibuprofen, Traumeel works on a different part of the body's cellular response to that injury. The oral drops can be used on top of the tongue, as well as tablets that can be placed under the tongue. There's also a topical form that you can use on top of the injury, as well as injectable forms that the healthcare practitioner can administer in the specific area. There's no risk of overdosage, and there is very little in the way of side effects. Additionally, Traumeel can be taken with other medications that the healthcare practitioner prescribes for the patient.
We visit the physicians to encourage them to learn about our medicines, how to use them to help their patients. Consumers can easily find our best-selling medicines like Traumeel for acute injuries, like Nurexan for sleeplessness due to stress, like Engistol and Sinusin for colds and flu, and Adricin for allergy.
By using natural medicines, many patients and consumers may be able to reduce or even avoid the use of harsh medications and the potential risk of side effects they carry.
50% of calls to poison centers in the United States are due to side effects of conventional pharmaceutical drugs. This is why the very high safety profile of our medicine is a wonderful benefit. The quality processes are very important. We need to control each step of the manufacturing process. At each stage of the manufacturing process, we have specific procedures of quality control and quality assurance.
I recommend Heal products to my patients because I found them to be effective with a high patient satisfaction and tolerance. Patients need to explore their treatment options because they're an individual, and ultimately it comes down to an individual therapy for an individual patient. I've been using Heal products for 23 years now, And I've noticed that more and more patients are beginning to ask for natural therapies, and I've had great success with these products.
Just recently, Heal USA has been awarded by two different organizations. First of all, the American College for Advancement of Medicine has awarded us with their Corporate Vision Award, which is recognizing the relevance for medicine of our mission statement, which is to build the bridge between homeopathy and conventional medicine to improve patient care and healing. Quality New Mexico has recognized us with their Pinion Recognition Award, which is the first step on the journey to performance excellence and superior quality and customer service.
We want to help our community learn more about the safety and efficacy of our products, and we're open to questions at any time. Patients can find information on all of our FDA-regulated medications on our website as well.
The most important thing is to try it. It's not a matter of belief, it's just a matter of experiencing the efficacy and the very high safety. In Europe, homeopathic medicine is very widely used. In France, it is used by 40% of the population. In Germany, it is used by more than 30% of the population. Because of their efficacy and very high safety profile, Heal medicine should be in every home medicine cabinet. And they really deserve to be there through the prescription of the doctors or through the choice of the consumers in the selected pharmacies and natural product stores.
It's time to take a more active role in what we put in and on our bodies. Learn more about the full line of Heal products that are safe for the whole family. Heal Healthcare, designed by nature. For more information, go to healusa.com.